It's a 2018 Audi A6. This A6 is crafted with precision, appointed luxuriously, and built with performance in mind. Navigation and keyless ignition and entry are standard on all 2018s. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled supercharged V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, heated leather bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Powerful performance is in Audi's DNA, and it has never been more evident than in this commanding and efficient A6. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.